Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we are making a vermicelli veggie and chicken soup, so in other words, a chicken noodle soup. The ingredients will be in the description box and at the end of the video for you to screen capture and save. In a deep pot on medium heat, we'll add in a drizzle of olive oil and dump in the red onions. Shortly after, we'll add in our garlic paste or finely chopped garlic. We'll let them cook until slightly transparent, then we'll add in our courgettes, also known as summer squash, or you can add zucchinis if you don't have those. We'll add in shredded carrots and pre-cooked shredded chicken mix that we had left over from making our chicken fried rolls. You can go check it out and check that video out to see how we seasoned and cooked it, or you can add plain shredded chicken. We're going to season generously with salt and pepper and stir all these ingredients in the pot prior to adding in our liquid chicken stock. Give it a taste after adding in the chicken stock, and if the taste is to your liking, go ahead and add the vermicelli and cover and let cook. We add in some water if the flavor is too concentrated, and also because the liquid will decrease after adding in the vermicelli since it absorbs the liquid. Give it a final taste to see if more salt or pepper is required, but basically once the vermicelli is cooked, your soup is done. And all that's left to do is basically plate it, eat it, and enjoy. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you liked it. Give us a like if you did, and subscribe for more. Have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!